Today I'm going to show you guys how to install the Burger Motorsports Stage 1 tune on your F30 BMW 335i. So start by going to the trunk and disconnecting the negative battery terminal. After you disconnected it, just set it to the side. Next, you remove the plastic cover from the passenger side and remove the engine cover. So here's what my tune looks like. I have it installed in the all-weather protection box. So you run the harness through the gap right there. And leave the box over there. So here's the location to the map sensor. And here's the location to the T-map sensor. I'm going to show you how to remove the clips. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver. So you push the screwdriver under and you pull, and it should slide right out. I'm going to show you how to do it here on the map sensor. So on one side I push down with my finger, on the other side I push up with the screwdriver, and then just pull the clip and it should slide out. This one's kind of tough because it's hard to get the screwdriver in. Now here it is again on the T-map sensor. Just stick the flathead screwdriver under the pin on one side, push down with your finger on the other side, and pull. So now you got the hardest part done, which is removing the clips. Now you just reconnect the sensor plugs. I muted this little section because we started talking about something not related to the tune install. Now just reinstall your covers, and you can zip tie the box in place if you don't want it to move around. After that, just reconnect your negative battery terminal. Now the last step is to turn your car on, and if you don't see any check engine light or error messages, it means you installed it correctly. So I've been running this tune for about 2,000 miles, and when I initially installed it, the car actually didn't feel any different. It took maybe 80 to 100 miles of driving before I guess the ECU got used to it, and then at that point I really noticed a big power difference, especially in the mid-range torque. According to the Burger Motorsports website, the N55 motor should gain about 50 horsepower and 65 torque.